In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize projects with Teams and HQ in Basecamp. We'll focus on building a clean, sustainable company HQ so your organization has a central place for announcements, shared resources, and big-picture communication, while day-to-day project work stays neatly separated in teams and projects. Think of HQ as your company-wide home base. It acts like your intranet inside Basecamp, where anything important to everyone can live. This is the perfect place for big announcements, company policies, benefits information, onboarding materials, birthdays and events, and other core resources your whole organization needs to find quickly. If it doesn't belong to one specific project or department, it probably belongs in HQ. Most organizations make HQ all access, so everyone in the account is included by default. That way, you're not wondering who missed a policy update or a company-wide notice. All access also reinforces that HQ is a shared, transparent space. Just remember that because everyone can see it, HQ isn't the place for private or sensitive project details. Save those for the specific team or project spaces where they belong. To set it up sustainably, start by creating a project named something like Company HQ, or simply use your company name for clarity. A clear, consistent name makes it easy for people to find and recognize the space. Inside this HQ project, add the tools you'll use most. The message board is your go-to for official announcements and updates that should be easy to reference later. Docs and files is where you'll store evergreen materials, handbooks, templates, brand assets, and key policies, organized into straightforward folders so people can self-serve what they need. Campfire provides a casual chat area for quick company-wide conversation, morale boosters, or everyday check-ins that don't need a formal post. Once the space looks ready, invite everyone on your team. Aim for complete coverage so important updates reach all the right people. Set expectations up front. HQ is for all company communication. Project specifics, tasks, and deadlines stay in their project or team spaces. When you post in HQ, keep it high level and link out to the relevant project if deeper details or action items live elsewhere. A few maintenance habits go a long way. Keep the message board tidy with clear, descriptive titles. Review docs and files periodically to retire outdated materials and surface the latest versions. Encourage thoughtful use of Campfire so it remains helpful, not noisy. With a clear company HQ in place, teams and projects can focus on the work, while HQ becomes the trusted, central source of truth for everyone.